guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making, I think, the pineapple fried rice. That's what it should be according to the cheat sheets online. There is a pinhole right there at the top corner of the eye. So let's make this one. All right, so we did get a table. And here we have, oh that's cute, the pineapple with the chunks in it. And then we have, it looks like peppers and onions maybe? Or maybe just two different kinds of peppers. Then we have our frozen fried rice. Looks a little toasted on there. That's super cute. And then in here we have our shrimp. Might have a couple extras of those, it feels like. And our resin with a nozzle. It is a veggie oil.
The health inspector's here.
The health inspector.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's the Labubu.
Call her Serenity.
Serenity, sorry.
We got this yesterday.
Yes, we did.
And my brother keeps harassing me about it.
All right, and then, oh, that's cute. It's a hot pink leaf to display it on, kind of like a little tray. That's very pretty. And then, of course, we did get a card that you can tap. I'll do that at the end. That's for the app, if you have the app. Then we have a checklist and a placemat. Very cute. Let's clean up and make this one. These are the instructions for this one. So you start by emptying the pineapple. Then you're gonna add the rice and the resin and the pepper pieces and mix that around. Then you add a couple pieces of the pineapple and the shrimp on top with a little bit of extra resin, and that's it. I think I'm gonna do it slightly different. This is not see-through. So I might cure it in 2 levels, and I think we're gonna have lots of pineapple left over because look how much pineapple is in there.
I could probably use the bowl for some art.
Yeah, you could. This is really cute. I like this. So I'm going to use like a disposable like little medicine cup that I use for crafts, and I'm gonna mix the pepper, rice, and resin in here, and then add maybe like halfway cure it, add the rest, then add some of this and the shrimp, and then do a final cure. Because my only concern is when it's deep-ish like this, can the light go through there to cure it? Probably not. And then if you store it and it's like this for like a month, it can start leaking out. I have had some of the original first series do that to me because I didn't cure them as long and wasn't as careful. So yeah, you can still do it in one step if you want, but that's just how I'm going to do it.
Is the pineapple good? Serenity needs to check.
It is. Oh, watch out. You don't want to cut your Labubu.
If you did cut her fur off, you would...
Oh, well, hold on.
This
is not what I thought.
Is that ramen noodles?
No, it's fried rice.
Oh.
I wonder if we need all of it. But it's kind of got that kinetic sand type thing going with it.
Kinetic sand.
Yeah, so that's interesting. I thought it was going to be like completely dry. So let's add a little bit of this and the peppers, and I'm going to use my toothpick. I don't think I'll use the attachment.
For spoon.
Oh, that's cute.
To mix it.
It definitely, yeah. It's like an oilish type look to it.
So it should look like it has BBQ sauce on it, right?
Well, not barbecue.
Oh.
It's supposed to look like oil. I'm gonna add just a pinch of this. Maybe another little pinch. Some of that you're not gonna see because it's in a bowl. So let's just mix this up. I guess this would have been fine to do inside the bowl. I was just scared to do that because I didn't realize it was going to lump together like that. I thought it was going to spill out and be more difficult. But no, that's not bad at all. Let's just dump that in there. Okay, let's dump this in there. I'm going to try to pack it down. So much for doing it halfway. That's pretty full already. I guess I can take some of it out and cure it and then add the rest. Just want like a little thin area. It's okay that it goes to the side. Yeah, I may not even really need to mix much more, if any. So it looks like we will have some leftovers. But let's zap this real quick so we can cure it. This is solid as can be. This looks pretty realistic. I think it looks just like fried rice. That's pretty cool. All right, so this is the tiny bit we have left. Let's put that on top. I guess we could fill it a little bit more, but we're also putting shrimp and things on it, so, and pineapple. Let's scrape this out real good. And I don't know that I need to add any more resin because it is pretty wet looking. I might place some of the peppers around though after I add everything. After I scraped everything completely, it's just slightly above the level area. I think that's fine. So let's place around some of the pineapples. I guess you could have some like sticking up in it like that if you wanted, but I don't know that I'm gonna dig around to do that. Maybe I should add just the tiniest amount of resin. I don't think they added any over the shrimp. Well, they may have. They may have. Let's go ahead and open the shrimp first so we know how big those are. These should be the same ones we've seen before. Let's see how many they gave us. And I didn't cut enough of the bag open. How about now? Oh my gosh. I was supposed to say, did I not? Oh my goodness. Those are so cute and realistic. There we go. So the picture shows 2, but they gave us 6. Those are pretty big. Maybe I'll... Should I have them laying the same way? Or flip it around like that? Then we have pineapple there, there. Might tuck one in the back. And then drizzle it with some resin. Kind of pressing it down so it's sticking better, because there is resin on the rice stuff. That's pretty cute. I think I'll take my toothpick and stick it in here and then kind of drizzle it. Just kind of let it run so that everything's touching. And then you can cure it that way, it's solid. And as for the medicine cup, if you're using something like that, you can stick that under the UV light or stick it outside as well. And it will harden, and then you just squeeze the side and it crunches and like literally comes off, and very easy to clean. And if you have a child, you should have 1,000,000 of those laying around the house. Okay, also gonna brush a little on there so it looks saucy, and then we can cure it. Of course, look it over really well. Make sure there's no little areas you want to add peppers or any additional rice. But after I cure it, I'll be back to show you close up. Okay, so here's what it looks like all finished. I think this is super cute. Definitely an easy build. I'm glad I did like a base layer, because again, I don't know how the UV would get through all that unless it can through here somehow, but I was kind of questioning that. But let's put our fancy placemat down and this little serving tray. And that's how that looks. Now we just need to add this one to the app. And I have a couple more from this series to collect, but I already found them. So we do have the complete series. Let's open this up. Shown this before. You open the app, add plus, scan, tap it, it'll vibrate. Then you collect all. And it shows every ingredient in there. You can see we have these two missing. I'll probably do the salami baguette next and then the donut milkshake. But if you want to see me build those, or if you missed any of these other ones, make sure to go to my channel, check it out, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.